Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Hey, Wagwan, blessed manners and respect to each and every one. Dancehall skilla here again. Now, I know that Hurricane Beryl, as also some people might call that bad weather condition or storm, as also some people might call it. Yes, Hurricane Beryl affected so many different people in some Caribbean countries in so many different ways. Houses, roads, and properties had been damaged. Electricity affected. Water supply affected. Internet, different things. And you know, overall, I try to keep a positive vibes when it comes down to this hurricane. I said, so the people, for those who might be okay when it comes down to Beryl, please keep those who have been affected by the hurricane in your prayers. You see what I'm saying? Because you might be alright, but you may never know what another person has got through. See, I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that are being talked about on social media. And when it comes down to a certain amount of these videos, I'm going to point out certain things that you should not do. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person with at least one part of the person's face swollen. I think I hear at least one person said wasp in the video viewing subscribers, or in a Jamaican way, I think I hear the person say wasp in the video. But anyways, let's take a look at the video and then we'll talk some more viewers and subscribers. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Me have it. So I was by the uncle Basha. That look like a joke.
Drop it up, man. I'm going real, man. You tell us where was the little man in the blood. Like a gunshot ticket. Like a gunshot ticket. Gunshot ticket.
Well, to each and everyone, I just want to make this be very clear. You see, once you see those creatures, or those things, or insects, what you want to call them, that some people call wasps, you should try your best not to get stung by those type of creatures. Don't provoke those creatures. Now, here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person up in a tree while heavy wind was blowing. In my point of view, that person went up in the tree during what I would call a bad weather condition. Now, if you get the understanding that heavy wind is blowing, and if there's a bad weather condition, you should not climb no from a tree. You should not go on top of any roof, and you should stay inside of a house. Don't go outside during a bad weather condition where heavy wind that blow. You understand? This video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was up in a tree while heavy wind was blowing. That's highly dangerous. But anyways, let's look at the video and get an understanding about this situation. Do not try this at all. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Me say I couldn't tell you. I not time that me say come like a devil in a boy today. Watch out. Thank you. Yes, there's someone in the tree. Westmoreland. The boss said we see some house a skate on it wall. Thank you. If he did Freddy would up there.
man.
Watch out.
Sab Lamar. Sab. Eh? I like it.
No, my people, this is a person here.
Me say Ali light wire. Me say.
Suppose limb tear off. Eh? Eh, my people, suppose one limb tear off. Especially which part of the person, they all them things there. Eh? You see the danger there, some people? I won't go say that person, they alright still. That's what I say. I won't say that person, they alright, you know. Don't do that. Do not do that. No, that is totally not cool at all. No. Don't do that. No, don't do that. No, that's totally not okay. None at all. Don't do that. May I tell my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See? Here's a video that shows something that you should not do when there is heavy wind blowing outside. So when I say outside, I mean outside of your house or outside of a building we're at. Here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a limb from a tree fell close to where a person was at. In my point of view, I think that that person was in a dangerous spot and a situation at that time by being outside when heavy wind was blowing. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what you think about this type of situation, my people. String box, foot box, cover me. I wonder why some people do some things some of the times. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person holding something that looks like a gun, and the video is also going to show a person sitting down on the ground who had been injured. The video shows blood on at least one part of the person's body who had been injured, viewers and subscribers. Now, my overall understanding about the video and the situation is that the person we can see in the video holding that object that looks like a gun said some words that gave me the understanding that he claimed and also accused the injured person of throwing objects at him that he in the video called battle. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly how the injured person had been injured. I also got the understanding that police is aware of the situation and that object that the person was holding that looks like a gun had been taken away from the person. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded. But let's look at the video and get an understanding about the situation. Please bear in mind that the video shows a person who was bleeding, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Oh, you look at me, boy! Yeah, do you not? Steady. Yo, this man blast 3 buckets there, you're gonna kill me up here, they just look at the acid. About 10 million people see. Why did you do that? You think this is what? Watch me, I play nothing. The man blast about 6 buckets there, you just so. Boy, you boys! The man they kill me just so. Boy, you not! You think this is? This is really. We think this is right. Boy, You think he's a joke or something, boy? Boy, the man levels for 6 bottles of the baby just up. You think man tell me alone and see it? Number 10 minutes, people see the man walk up to me. He hit me with one. He run. He come back, he hit me again, he run. He come back, last another one. What do you think this is? You're crazy, being crazy when you were that. Being crazy with you guys.
In the video, me hear where the person basically said the person hit him, and then the person said more words. So if someone attacks someone based on what the person said in the video, and the person retaliating, and if the person didn't provoke the person for attack in certain ways, then I would call that self-defense. You notice me saying that if the person never provoked the person, but me, I call it a self-defense. But I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly how the person had been injured. I don't even have confirmed information as to exactly how that situation started. But it look away. It really and truly look away. So me ask my people. Well, I only hope for this, you know. Yeah, so those videos that I presented to you in this video, they are being talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers. You know, what do you think about them? Leave a comment and comments in the comment section of this video. Let me know what you think. Here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. There you go.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.